I ran out of memory, but here's the final product, and I probably could have done this a little faster. The ghost zone's still pretty warm, so let's go ahead and plop this puppy back outside. I should mention there is not a cloud in the sky today, and I definitely could have shaved some time if I had things prepped a little better. And now that I'm in the second stage of cooking, I want to basically leave a slot here so that more of the moisture can escape. I kind of want these to be crispy. Again, you can't really overcook potatoes, but yeah. The surface area to volume ratio works out. Used pretty much all of the potatoes that I cooked minus the extra half that I had, but we can take care of that problem right now. Yum. Negra. Kitty. Where's a cat? Okay, so these are done, I would say. Hottest spot inside the tube is 328. Our potatoes are about 150 on the surface. So there they are. Twice baked potatoes. These smell great. It's quite a bit later than I would have liked. I could have cooked these faster, but all in all, I got other stuff done, and the important part is that I spent about 3 hours baking these. But I mean, working on other stuff. It's out here working for me, so.